How to add music on Facebook profile. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Facebook application. Now tap on your profile icon. Now go to edit profile. Scroll down a bit. Tap on edit your about info. Now scroll down a bit. Now tap on add music. Now tap on the plus icon. Now select any music. Now go back. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.